Imagine this, you type spend 10,000 on Big Bazaar to your Telegram bot, and a fully automated finance tracker passes it, categorizes it, logs it in Airtable, and updates a beautiful dashboard, all without writing a single line of code. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to build this end-to-end workflow. A Telegram chatbot that listens to your expenses, an AI agent that understands your message and extracts the amount, category, and currency. And yes, we are building all of this using just n8n, Telegram, Gemini, and Airtable. So stick with me till the end, because not only is this tutorial beginner friendly, it's completely free to get started. So I'll be using ngrok and a locally installed version of n8n for this tutorial. If you haven't installed n8n yet, I've already made a video walking you through that process. Check the card above or link in the description. First, initiate ngrok so we can expose our local server securely. Next, we copy the HTTPS forwarding URL from ngrok and set it as the webhook URL inside n8n before launching the app. Now start n8n. This should launch your local instance securely. Inside n8n, create a new workflow and add a Telegram trigger node. We need to connect our Telegram bot, so let's get the access token first. Open Telegram, search for botfather, type /start, then new bot. Give it a name, make sure it ends with bot. Telegram will now give you the access token. Copy this token and paste it into your n8n Telegram credentials. Hit test, it should connect. Now type a test message to your bot and the Telegram trigger lights up. Awesome, you're all set. Let's now process the message with AI. Add the AI agent node and use the Gemini chat model. I'll be using Gemini 1.5 Flash for this demo. For the API key, visit Google AI Studio, click on Get API Key, choose your existing project or create a new one, copy the API key and paste it into n8n. Test the connection, it should work. Now, we give Gemini a prompt that instructs it to extract data from the message, currency, amount, and expense category. I'll include my exact prompt in the video description. You can copy paste it. Gemini's output is in plain text, so let's convert it to valid JSON using a function node. Paste a short JS snippet. I've added this in the description too. Test this step and it should now return clean, structured JSON. Now, let's save the output to Airtable. Log into Airtable and create a workspace. I'll name mine My Personal Apps. Inside it, create a new base. Give it a name like Expense Tracker. Keep the created on column and delete the rest. Add 3 new fields: currency, amount, and category. Now, go back to n8n and add an Airtable node, choose operation, create record, and add your Airtable personal access token. Get this by going to Build a Hub, Personal Access Tokens. Select your base and table. Map the past output fields into the Airtable fields. At first, my flow gave an error because I had set the amount field to text instead of number. Fix that and you're good to go. Now test the full flow. Send a test message to the Telegram bot. Watch the workflow execute. And boom, the record appears in Airtable. Let's make a dashboard filterable by month. Add a new Airtable formula field called month year. Use a formula like the one shown here. This helps in monthly filtering later. Add over to the interfaces section in Airtable. Add a number block. Title total spent. Field amount. Summary sum. Add a pie chart. Title expense breakdown. Categories category. Values sum of amount. Looks great already. Now test it all. Send a new message to the Telegram bot and see the live dashboard update. And that's it. Your AI powered finance tracker is now ready. If you got value from this, hit that like button to let the algorithm know and subscribe for more workflow ideas every week. See you at the next one.